Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I decided to vlog this weekend. It's already like a lot later in the evening. It's basically 8 o'clock, but yeah, and I'm just doing the intro to the vlog, I guess. Or yeah, I've been vlogging like during the day a bit. I didn't vlog while I was at dinner. I just got back home. I went out for dinner with one of my friends, Brooke, and it was really good. We went to a restaurant called Wildcraft, which was both of our first times going there. And yeah, it was really good. I really enjoyed it. And now I'm back home. And I'm probably just going to spend the rest of my night just relaxing. Maybe I'll watch like a TV show or a movie and maybe do some reading. Maybe I'll read some more of my Bible. I was reading some of my Bible earlier today, and I'll probably like read a little more or read like a devotion or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to have a relaxing night. Hi guys. It is the next day. We went to church this morning, and by we, I mean myself and my cousins. We went to church and it was really good. I didn't film as much as what I wanted to this morning. I wanted to film a little bit of me getting ready, but again, I did not really have much time, and then I was having like one of those I don't know what I want to wear today moments, like pick out an outfit. So yeah, we just went with just a simple black t-shirt and jeans, and that is what's going on. But yeah, like I didn't get to film as much as what I wanted to, because I also woke up later than what I had set my alarm to. I was hoping to wake up at 6:30, but I ended up sleeping a little past 7 because I was tired, because I didn't like really fall asleep until midnight. Right now I'm just sitting here eating my lunch. I'm just having potato salad and some spinach salad with like a poppy seed dressing, and it's literally just spinach and cucumber. Yeah. And then I just finished drinking my like green like smoothie that I bought from the grocery store. It's just like a just like a green smoothie. It's got green apple, pineapple, mango, banana, and kiwi. And it's actually good. That I was gonna go to a coffee shop, like one of my favorite coffee shops here, like here in town where I live, but I was like, maybe I'll just stay home and make a coffee at home, because I have coffee here and I can just make it at home and I save money that way. But also, like, it's funny, I do enjoy making coffee at home, but sometimes it's nice when you go and get coffee somewhere, because sometimes it can taste better when someone else like makes it. And I do really enjoy going to coffee shops, but as you guys probably know, if you know me, or if you've been like watching some of my vlogs and videos, I definitely love coffee shops. But I decided to not go today, and that I would just make a coffee at home. And I decided that, you know what, I think I'm going to bake. I think I'm gonna make like gluten-free, dairy-free banana muffins, possibly with some like chocolate chips or something. But I'm gonna use like a dairy-free chocolate. And then I have some chocolate bars that are like, there's no dairy in them, and there's also no like refined sugar, and they're really good. So I may like take one of those chocolate bars and just crush it up and add it to the batter for the muffins. So I think I'm gonna do that today, like when I'm done eating my lunch, and make some muffins, because why not? And I'll have them for the week, which will be nice, like just a nice like easy grab and go kind of snack. Yeah, that wasn't my plan for today, but here we are. I didn't really have a plan for today. I was gonna go to the coffee shop, but decided not to. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bake some muffins. Okay, I just took out the muffins. I still have like one more pan in there with a few, but this is what they look like. They're gluten-free and dairy-free muffins, but yeah, they do not look like normal muffins. I followed this I just searched up a recipe for like gluten-free and dairy-free banana muffins, and I followed the recipe, but the only thing that I didn't do, I did almond flour, but it also called for 1 cup of like gluten-free oat flour, but I couldn't find that. I don't think my cousin has any. So, but she had like coconut flour, so I tried that, and I'm wondering if that's maybe what made it turn out this way. I don't know. I tried, honestly, baking some muffins. Hopefully, maybe they, you know what? You know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover. Maybe that's this situation. The muffins don't look that great, but maybe they taste great. I don't know. I'll taste test them and see how they actually turned out. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I am just gonna end off the vlog. I didn't end it off last night. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry, I don't know how interesting it was, but yeah, it was just like a couple days of my life, a weekend in my life. And the muffins did turn out, they taste better than how they look, which is good, and they're also healthier too, which is also good. But yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Next weekend, I am going to be going, like this upcoming weekend, I'm gonna be going to Toronto with my friend Michelle, so I'm really looking forward to that, and I plan on vlogging our day in Toronto, so stay tuned for that vlog. That will probably be my next vlog that I post, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will link that down below. And yeah, bye guys.